Hey guys, I'm John from Legacy Woodworking Machinery. Tonight I'm here with Dave Fletcher from Juab High School. We are going to be starting the Adirondack chair project. Dave, what's the first step?
We've designed a jig and we're going to cut it out right now so that it has a reference point. So it doesn't matter what part you put in, you can put it in the same place each time, and it makes it so much easier when you're doing it so you can cut out multiple parts.
Sounds great. Let's get to work.
Now that our jig is finished being cut out, it's time to put it together.
The tools we're going to use is a nail gun, a drill with an 1/8 inch drill bit in it, a screwdriver, and some 1 1/4 inch screws. Let's get to work. With the jig done, we're going to use wedges to hold our pieces for the Adirondack chair tight against the jig.
Now that our jig is all cut and screwed down and put into place, we're ready to start cutting our parts out. We'll slide it in right here, 0, 0. These wedges that we've cut, you put them into place, slide it down so that it's tight. And then slide that one down, tap it with the hammer a few times, and then your part's not going to move at all while you're cutting them out. Now that our part is cut out, we can come over here and hit safe X0, Y0, Z0, and it will move the machine out of the way. Gently tap our wedge out of the way, and we can hold it up, and that's our parts. Man, that was quite the evening. Look at all those parts that we created and cut out.
All we need now is to get it assembled. We're going to need some 3/8 by 2 inch carriage bolts and washers, as well as some 1.5 inch stainless screws. Let's get this thing assembled. Dang, that chair looks pretty comfortable. I'm going to have to switch out my stool for one of these tomorrow. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you like this video. Check out our website at lwmcnc.com. If you have any questions about the machinery that we did this all on, give us a call. It's 800-279-4570. Thanks. We'll see you guys in the next one.